If your taskbar is not responding, not showing, or disappeared on Windows 11, do not panic. It usually happens due to a small system glitch or wrong settings. In this video, I'll walk you through easy fixes step by step. Restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list, right-click on it, and select Restart. Wait a few seconds and check if the taskbar appears. Restart your PC. Restart your computer. This clears temporary system issues and often fixes taskbar problems. Check taskbar behavior settings. Right-click on the desktop and click Personalize. Go to Taskbar, scroll down and click Taskbar Behaviors. Make sure Automatically Hide the Taskbar is turned off. Also, make sure these options are enabled if available. Show My Taskbar on all displays. Show badges on taskbar apps. Show flashing on taskbar apps. Close settings and check the taskbar again. Re-register taskbar using PowerShell. If the taskbar is missing, use this method. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Run New Task. Type PowerShell. Check Run with Administrative Privileges and click OK. Paste this command and press Enter. Wait for it to finish. Restart your PC and check the taskbar. Check for Windows updates. Press Windows plus I to open settings quickly. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install any pending updates and restart your PC. Update display and system drivers. Sometimes the taskbar stops working because important system or display drivers are outdated or corrupted. Updating drivers manually can be slow and Windows does not always find the correct or latest version. To make this easier, you can use a tool called Advanced Driver Updater. You can download it from the link given in the description and install it on your PC. Once installed, open the program and click Start Scan Now. It will scan your computer for outdated drivers including display drivers, graphics drivers, and other system drivers that affect the taskbar. After the scan is complete, you'll see a list of drivers that need updating. You can update them one by one or simply click Update All to update everything at once. Once the updates are finished, restart your computer and check if the taskbar is now working properly. Repair system files. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Run New Task. Type CMD. Check Run as Administrator and click OK. In command prompt, type this and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. Restart your PC and check the taskbar. Create a new user account. If nothing works, your user profile may be corrupted. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Accounts. Click Other Users. Click Add Account. Choose I do not have this person's sign-in information. Then click Add a user account without a Microsoft account. Create a new username and password and finish setup. Sign out and log in with the new account. If the taskbar works there, the issue is with your old account. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the taskbar not working or not showing issue on Windows 11. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments which method worked for you. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and share it with anyone who needs help.